Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making bole. Bole is also known as roasted plantain. I'll be making it with a pepper sauce. If you have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. Before you peel your plantain, make sure you wash your plantain very well with a clean water. Now I'm going to show you how I peel my plantains. I'll cut the ends of it, then slice the skin with my knife from top to down, then take it out. This is how it looks. Now I'll put my plantain on the grill pan. So guys, I've already started preheating my oven on 200 degrees Celsius. Now I'll put my plantain inside. While my plantain is inside the oven, I'll go and start making my pepper sauce. I will pour half cup of palm oil inside the fry pan. When the oil is hot, I'll pour in my blended tomato mix, then stir it round. I will add 1 tablespoon of grounded crayfish, 1 Maggi cube, half teaspoon of salt, then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a high heat. It's up to 5 minutes now. When you see that the oil has flowed to the top, you know your stew is ready. I will add my shredded fish. I will add my diced pomo, then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for extra 3 minutes. So guys, it's up to 3 minutes now. I'll stir it round for the last time. This is how my pepper sauce looks. So guys, the bole has been in the oven for about 20 minutes now. I'll flip it over to the other side, then let it cook for extra 20 minutes. So it's up to 20 minutes now. This is the end result of my bole, which is also known as roasted plantain, and the pepper sauce is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.